Your dashboard shows today at a glance, who's on site now, who checked in, and anything waiting for review. The attendance page lists every session, with the check-in selfie, GPS location, and time recorded. Filter by date or by site to see exactly what you need. Export to Excel or PDF anytime, the same numbers feed payroll automatically. When a worker forgets to check out, they submit a correction from their phone. It lands here. Review the details against the site and time. Approve, and the attendance record and their wages update instantly. Attendance handled. Next, leave.